India just unveiled the most ambitious space roadmap in its history. Moon landings, a space station, Venus exploration, and it's all happening in the next 15 years. ISRO Chairman V. Narayanan confirmed what everyone's been waiting for. India is going big. And this isn't just talk. The missions are already in motion. Here's everything you need to know. First up, Gaganyaan. India's maiden human spaceflight mission is targeting 2027. This isn't just another satellite launch. This is about sending Indian astronauts to space and bringing them back safely. But before humans go up, ISRO is sending Vyomitra, a half-humanoid robot, in December 2025. This first uncrewed mission will test life support systems, cabin pressure, and emergency protocols. 2 more uncrewed missions will follow in 2026, stress testing every system. If all goes to plan, Indian astronauts will launch in the first quarter of 2027, making India the 4th nation to send humans to space independently. This is decades of preparation coming together, and it's just the beginning. Next, India's own space station, the Bharatiya Antriksh Station, or BAS, is scheduled to be operational by 2035. But construction starts much earlier. Initial modules could launch as early as 2027, the same year as Gaganyaan. Over the next 8 years, ISRO will assemble this station piece by piece, creating India's permanent foothold in low Earth orbit. This isn't just symbolic. A space station means long-duration research, manufacturing in microgravity, and proving India can sustain human presence beyond Earth. By 2035, India will join an elite club of nations with their own orbital outposts. But here's the crown jewel. Prime Minister Modi has set a target for an indigenous crewed lunar mission by 2040. This means Indian astronauts landing on the moon and returning safely, entirely on India's technology. To get there, ISRO is building on Chandrayaan 3's historic South Pole landing. Chandrayaan 4 will demonstrate sample return technology. Chandrayaan 5, planned with Japan, will bring lunar rocks back to Earth for analysis. This mission requires India's next-generation launch vehicle, the NGLV, which is currently in development. It's ambitious, it's audacious. And if successful, India will become the 2nd nation after China to land humans on the moon in the 21st century. India isn't stopping at the moon. The Venus Orbiter mission has been approved to study our mysterious neighbor, its crushing atmosphere, volcanic surface, and why it became so different from Earth. A new Mars mission is in the pipeline. The Aditya L1 Solar Observatory has already collected 15 terabits of data on space weather. And AXOM, a priority astronomical observatory, will scan the cosmos for answers about our universe. And here's what makes this era different. India now has over 300 space startups, up from just 2 a few years ago, building satellites, launch services, and space-based analytics. India recently became the 4th country to achieve orbital docking with SpaceX. ISRO just completed its 100th launch from Sriharikota. A 3rd launch pad worth 4,000 crores is approved. From discovering water on the moon to leading in 9 global space categories, India's space story is just beginning. Moon by 2040. Space station by 2035. The final frontier? India is claiming its place. And the countdown has already started.